one small word can change everything. Do you need a wrench or the wrench? Sounds simple, right? But in technical instructions or workshop safety rules, choosing the right article can make your meaning clear or confusing. Today, we learned how to master articles a, an, the, and sometimes no article at all. Let's get started. First, let's do a quick recap. We use a or an for singular, non-specific nouns. For example, we need a wrench. It doesn't matter which one. Meanwhile, we use the for specific nouns or unique things. For example, pass me the wrench on the table. And sometimes we use no article at all for general or uncountable nouns. For example, steel is strong. Simple rules, but they are the foundation for more advanced uses. Now, let's move into advanced rules. First, the plus an adjective can describe a group of people, like the poor need support. And then, we can use the plus an instrument or device to talk about machines in general. For example, the lathe is essential in metal work. And then you should also remember that we use no article with academic subjects, languages, or meals, like we study mathematics and welding techniques. And the last one, the is used for unique objects. For example, the Earth rotates around the Sun. Let's look at some common technical contexts. We use a or an before technical terms. An arc welder is used for joining metals. In manuals or instructions, we usually see the turn off the main switch before maintenance. And when describing processes, we often use zero article. Water is heated to 100 degrees Celsius. These patterns appear in real workshop or lab situations all the time. Now, let me tell you some tricky cases. With acronyms, the choice between a and an depends on the sound, not the letter. For example, we say an X-ray machine because X starts with a vowel sound, but a CNC machine because C starts with a consonant sound. We also use the with ordinal numbers, like the first step is preparation. And finally, in headings or labels, we often use zero article, like assembly instructions. Let's practice with a few quick examples. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, we need blah 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 oxyacetylene torch. Yes, the answer is an. Number 2, switch off blah 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 generator before inspection. The correct answer is the. Number 3, blah 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 stainless steel is resistant to corrosion. The answer is zero article. And the last one, number 4, the students are in blah 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 workshop. The answer is the. Well, you did a great work. So for the wrap up, please remember a or an means any. The means specific. And sometimes we use no article for general ideas. Articles may be small words, but they have a big role in making your English clear and professional, especially in technical and workshop settings. Thanks for learning with me today. Now, try using articles correctly in your next report or presentation. See you in the next lesson.